Here I'm going to show you how to remove non-existent values from slicers. So here we have a nice little pivot table and a slicer for it, and everything works as it should. But now let's say that we are done selling Cyberdyne products. So no more terminators. And we are going to go over here and select Cyberdyne. And this is the raw data table that powers the pivot table, and the slicer is connected to the pivot table. So now we are going to delete all of the Cyberdyne records, and I'm going to right click and delete. It's a little bit off the screen, entire sheet row. So no more Cyberdyne. Clear the filter, and we can see here there is no more Cyberdyne option, as you would expect. So let's go and see what's up with the slicer. First off, everything is still there, because as you may or may not know, there's a pivot cache that sits behind the pivot table. So we have to go ahead and update it. So refresh everything. And no more Cyberdyne here, but here is our Cyberdyne. So it's grayed out. That's nice. I know there's no record for it, but it's still there, and you can even click it. And I find that so annoying. So all you have to do to fix that is right click the slicer, go to Slicer Settings, and right down here uncheck Show Items Deleted from the Data Source. I really don't know why that's checked by default, but once you uncheck that, there you go. It works as you would probably expect it to work. If the item isn't in the raw dataset, then it's not here on the slicer.